good.
It's really good.
Drop mine is the
But when you back home, you can use any filling instead of that one that you use. You can use mashed potato or banana, the whole banana, anything.
I think the big one is yours, right? Yeah. Mine is the kaputte.
There and do more presentations there. Wow, let's see.
You put in here.
Michelin star.
Yeah. First time, just like you cut and crack a little bit, and then quite slow, and then you just like slow. Yeah.
You're not good.
Yeah. So Michelin chef. Put on the cutting board first. You cut, and then your presentation more expensive. Yeah. Okay. Or cheap. I don't know. Yeah. When you crack, you crack it.
Oh.
You're the best chef ever.
ใครทำของฉัน
Okay, cool.
Yes, richly soft and coffee.
Oh, yes, okay. Should not compare your thing with other people. The best chef ever, no compare.
How much?
How much?
How much is it? For me, it's like 50 baht. For you,
For you, it's for zero.
it's 50. For you, 10 baht. Just joking. Yeah, sweet chili sauce. So you can presentation.
ให้เขาปาดตรงนี้ก่อนยกขึ้นมาก่อนแล้วปาดตรงนี้
Yeah, you can use this one first. So you can use.
brush นะคะ just brush นะคะ brush on your plate and you then use your spoon brush what something like this you can use your spoon and brush like this
When you come first time, just
Okay.
like crack a little bit.
like a big chef
And then you can presentation on your plate. So we have sweet chili sauce and spring onion coriander powder.
wow okay
Look at this. 5 star.
to get more price